Oh no, see now that just doesn't look right. What's up YouTube? Today we have a demonstration on how to fill in your beard, how to make it appear a little fuller, how to make those little lighter spots that you may have, see in these areas right here, how to make those look fuller, how to get a nice sharp line for those days you're going out or you got a wedding or you just want to look good. So we got a product that we're going to be using, thick fiber. We'll be using their fibers to enhance the beard, to fill in those lighter and patchy areas. You know, you may say like, I don't need it for my beard, but I like the beard to look extra crispy and full. Areas right here that are my trouble areas, they are filling in, but they are still, you know, trouble areas. They're a little bit lighter. So we'll be filling those in to make it look nice and crisp, all right? I'll be going over what to do and what not to do. It's not as easy as just, you know, pumping the spray and boom, you're gonna have a full beard. There are little details that you will need to do in order to achieve that look that you want. I am gonna use the dark brown fibers because my beard is dark, but it's not black dark, you know, it's still like a brown. So dark, jet black, dark beard, I would recommend using the black fibers. Black beard to somewhere around my type of beard color, like a very dark brown, I would say use the dark brown. And anything lighter, I would use a shade below because they do come out a little bit darker, so just keep that in mind. So like I said, we'll be using the dark brown fibers. Two different ways you can apply fibers. You could do it, you know, for your hair, you could tap it on top, do like that. But since we're doing it on the beard, I'm gonna be using the applicator. So this is how you install it. Take the lid off, you take this part off, you kind of just pop it off like that. And then you go ahead and put the lid on top, just screw it. There you go. The harder you press, obviously the more comes out. The lighter you press, the less comes out. You could use a cover to, you know, hide the areas to get it really precise. I'm gonna be going over it with the razor after so I could really get it crispy. This is what you do not want to do. You don't want to be super close and spraying it hard. So you want a good distance. Oh no, see now that just doesn't look right. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to sit there, be super close, spraying it, because now it just doesn't look natural. But you don't want to do that. And they come out pretty easy unless you put a holding spray on there. So that's what not to do. So I want my beard, I want them even. This side grows a little bit more fuller. So I'm gonna bring it down to right above the mustache. I'm gonna bring this one right above the mustache. I'm gonna just slowly blend it in. I'm gonna be spraying down here first, and then I'm gonna gradually work up. Because you want this area to be darker and up here lighter. If this area is too dark and this is not as dark as this, it's gonna look like a complete line, like you Sharpied it in, and you don't want that look. You want to have a nice gradual blend. Just spray lightly, just like that. And go and comb it through. You could also move the beard, you know, this way, get more in there. There you go. Go ahead and take your straight razor, crack open a blade, take that blade out, place it in there, like so. Go ahead and line it up. That's the first pass. And then go ahead and comb it through again just to get the darker spots out. And then reline. There you go. Now let's go ahead and match this side to this side. We're gonna do the same thing. Come this way so you can see a little bit lighter spots in this area. It's all shading, so the areas that are lighter you want to make darker to blend in with the other side. So right here is all lighter, this part's darker, up here is a little bit lighter, so you want to blend that all together. I am kind of close, not pressing as hard. So if you want to be farther, you can press harder. If you're close, a lot lighter, the less comes out. I'm gonna comb through, we're gonna go ahead and line up. And go ahead and comb through. Don't mind the dogs barking in the background. And there you go. See, now it looks nice and full, even on both sides. Now you just want to take some hairspray, any type of holding spray. I'm using Joico. Cover your face and just go ahead. So let that sit in. Just let that sit in so it holds everything in place. Go ahead and grab your razor and go right back over it again. There you go. Alright, so that's the video. That's how you get that beard extra crispy for those special occasions. I'll go ahead and put the links down below for the products I used. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next one.